Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain Three Little Pigs, ncert Class 1, English. Listen and enjoy the story. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. So there were three little pigs and their name was Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw, Monu lived in a house of sticks, and Gonu lived in the house of bricks. So these three pigs, one pig, Sonu, lived in the house of straw, and Monu lived in the house of stick, and the last one, Gonu, lived in the house of bricks. So the three little pigs live in different kinds of house, made of straw, made of sticks, and made of bricks. One day, a big wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. So one day what happened, child? One day a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. So as you all know that Sonu's house was made of straw. So he said that I will huff and puff and I'll blow your house down. And he huffed and puffed and blew the house down of Sonu. Okay. So next line. Sonu ran to Monu's house. So as Sonu did not have the house, we all know that the wolf huffed and puffed and blew his house. So Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. So wolf came to the Monu's house also. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So again that bad wolf saying to Monu that I will huff and puff and blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed and he blew Monu's house down. So here also the bad wolf huffed and puffed and blew down the Monu's house. So we note here that the bad fox huffed and puffed and blew down the Sonu's house and Monu's house, which was made of straw and made of sticks. So now only Gonu's house we have, which is made of bricks. Now next line is Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. Then Sonu and Monu, they ran to Gonu's house. Okay, so we all know that Gonu's house is made up of bricks. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So again here also the wolf, the bad wolf came and he again said that I will huff and puff and blow your house down as I have done of Sonu and Monu's. So he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the bricks house down. So here also he huffed and puffed, but this time he became fail because we know that Gonu's house was made up of bricks. So the brick house, he could not blow down the bricks house. It was very strong. Okay, so the brick house that is given in your, as you can see here in the picture, it was made up of bricks. So the bad fox could not blow it down. The wolf went away and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. So when the wolf became unable to blow down the house, it went away from there, and that brick house, Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together for the rest of their lives. So the children, motive of this story, the moral of the story is that kacha house, about the kacha house and pakka house. Okay, so the house made of a brick are called pakka houses and they are very, very strong. Okay, so no wolf can break them down. So let's solve some questions from Reading is Fun. So the first question is, how many pigs were there? So as we all know, our answer would be, there were 3 pigs. Okay, children, write down your answer. There were 3 pigs. So the second question is, what did the big wolf say to the pigs? So what did the big wolf say to the pigs? Your answer is, write down, the big wolf said that I will huff and puff and blow down your house. Once again, I am repeating the answer. The big wolf said, S-A-I-D said, I will huff and puff and blow down your house. So let's talk. Here is something, 2 questions which answer we must not write down, we just have to answer it in verbally. Was the wolf good or bad? What do you think, children? The wolf was good or bad? No, the wolf was not good. The wolf was bad. That is your house made of. What is your made house? House is made of. So my house is made of bricks. So let's say who is good? The pigs are good. And who is bad? As we all know that the fox is bad. So children, this much for this lesson. I shall meet you in the next lesson. Learn this and be happy and enjoy your learning. Thank you.